in Chicago. Southeastern County in northeastern Illinois until 3 p.m. Thunderstorm was located at a severe thunderstorm was located over Homer Glen, moving at 35 miles per hour. Source radar indicated. Source radar expected damage to roof, implying that you have damage to roof. Location and tactics include Chicago, Hammond, Orland Park, Calumet City, Chicago Heights, Chicago North, Englewood, South Shore, Roseland, Burbank, Lansville, Oak Forest. Miles per hour wind. Including the following impact. A thunderstorm warning for eastern Will County in northeastern Illinois, southeastern Cook County in northeastern Illinois until 3 p.m. At 2:15 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located over Homer Glen, moving within 35 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expect damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Chicago, Hammond, Orland Park, Tinley Park, Oak Lawn, Calumet City, Chicago Heights, Chicago Lawn, Englewood, South Shore, Roseland, Burbank. The following is a special marine warning from the National Weather Service. A special marine warning remains in effect until 3:30 p.m. The National Weather Service in Chicago has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Porter County in northwestern Indiana until 3 p.m. At 2:17 p.m., thunderstorms were located along a line extending from 6 miles north of Gary between mile markers 57 and 74. Interstate 355. Damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations of active include Portage, Valparaiso, Chester, Hebron, Lakes of the Four Seasons, South Haven, Porter, Burns Harbor, Ogden Dunes, Town of Pines, Beverly Shores, Wheeler, New Acres, Boone Road, and Logan. Including the following interstates: Indiana Interstate 80 near mile marker 16. Indiana Interstate 90 between mile markers 22 and 37. Indiana Interstate 94 between mile markers 17 and 32. This includes Valparaiso University, Indiana Dunes State Park, and Porter County Fairgrounds. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. The following is a special marine warning from the National Interstate 90 between mile markers 101 and 107. Interstate 94 between mile markers 57 and 74. Interstate 294 between mile markers 57 and 74. Interstate 355 near mile marker 8. Indiana Interstate 90 between mile markers 1 and 2. This includes University of Chicago, Windy City Thunderbolts Baseball, Hollywood Casino Amphitheater, Governors State University, Green Valley Community College, Prairie State College, South Suburban College, Will County Fairgrounds, and Museum of Science and Industry. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of